guys, it's Kate Swanson with Art Impressions, and I'm here to show you some new mini trifolds for the end part of 2018. So we have got a new tool shed as well as a potting shed, and these are so cute, made for those trifold card bases, clear stamps and dies in those. And so let me show you these little guys. We've got our cute little she shed, little potting shed that you can see all the way through to the sleepy bunny on the shelf, always among the blooms. We also have our cute little, I should say manly, man cave. So really fun card for those guys. We know you're always looking for more and more guy cards, and we just love to deliver for you guys. This is a cute little one with the little doors open. These stamps and die sets are now available at Art Impressions. Grab yours today.